going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back for another Copart walk around, this time again in Danville, Virginia. Let's get into this with number one on my list, a 2005 Nissan Frontier that says NISMO. Did they make a NISMO version of this? I don't know, but this one has 216,000 miles. It took a, there's a lot of this going on down the whole side, but that's fine. It could be a work truck, and it would be a great work truck, assuming it actually runs and still drives and everything. 4x4. It's a nice little truck. That could just be a sticker someone threw on. I don't know. You guys comment below. I've never heard of a NISMO Frontier, but that's not to say that there isn't one. I'm by no means an expert at all. Not even close on vehicles. But yeah, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Maybe it's got some crazy suspension and crazy mods to the engine. I somehow doubt it, but no, look at this. It really does say NISMO. It really does. This might actually be legit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's beat up. Yeah, that's fine though. Who cares, man? It just means you can have a lot more fun with it without worrying about tearing it up, right? So, any of you Nissan guys out there, tell me what makes this NISMO. Is it just a sticker that they stick on it? Did they actually do anything to this vehicle to make it worthy of those NISMO stickers? Or is it all just, I don't know. I don't even see any cosmetics. I just see NISMO stickers and NISMO floor mats. Let's say she wants to do anything. Is this a run and drive? It is. It's a run and drive. Let's throw the key in it. And let's see. No, dead as a doornail. Of course. Of course. They're all dead, guys. They're all dead. It's pretty common. These cars sit for a very long period of time, and they don't get started, and eventually the batteries just crap out on them. That's okay. That's what we got booster packs for. That's what we got these for right here. Give her some juice. Oh, this booster pack is dying very quickly. Apparently my booster pack has given up the ghost. Lovely, because it is dying very, very rapidly. It's never done that before. Leave it to me to go on a trip halfway across the country and bring a bad booster pack with me. Oh, she does run too. I mean, she almost had to run for someone to have raked it down the side of a mountain or something and tear up the side like that, right? You got your four-wheel drive, your differential lock right there. Let's see, we got ABS, slip control. Those are the only lights. It's got a full tank of gas. Air conditioning, what do you think? AC works? Let's see. Yes, I heard the AC compressor kick on. Important window. Yep, important window still. Even though the door is smashed, the important window still works. Little exhaust leak, which sounds pretty good. Brakes, yes, we have brakes. Steering feels pretty good too. She goes right into reverse, right into drive. Wow. Yeah, AC is ice cold. We can stop that. That's good. Guys, this is a great little truck. Well, I say little. It feels like a pretty big truck when you're sitting inside it. I don't know. For me, though, when I'm standing outside, it really does look small. To me, anyway. To me, it looks small when I'm standing outside of it. But when you're inside, it really does. It feels like a much bigger truck. I gotta be honest. I almost said I gotta lie. I've been watching too much Whistle Diesel. I gotta be honest. I actually like this truck. I really do. I really do. All right. Well, obviously she doesn't need this anymore, and that's good because I'm not sure if that thing's gonna start anything else today. Get a little exhaust work done to her. Leave all this. Who cares, man? Who cares about all this? The truck is still usable, still functions. This is a good one, guys. This is a good one. Next, how about a Chevy Colorado? It's supposed to be a run and drive, and I'm not sure I believe the miles, but I think it says it has 380,000 miles. That's got to be wrong, right? Right? It can't have 380,000 miles. No way. It's got very good tires. The body looks good. The running boards are not rusted and falling off. You got that Z71 like a Cadillac package right there. She's a good looking little truck. Okay, it says the miles are 343. 343,000 miles. Wow. That is impressive. It's very impressive. Got your little jump seats back there. I always thought those were funny. Like, who are you putting back there? I guess kids maybe. Kids maybe. If you're an adult and you've ever ridden in the jump seat of a Colorado or an S10 truck, please comment below and tell me what that experience was like. I gotta know. I had to be miserable. Had to be miserable to be riding in the jump seat. All right, you got your 3.5. Yeah. Okay. She's leaking oil pretty good. Out of the valve cover, I think, maybe. Or maybe that's like an oil pressure sensor or something over there. I can't tell. She is leaking pretty good there. Battery's corroded. And she's dead as a doornail. Did you find your keys? Oh, I won't tell my viewers. Oops.
Oops.
Well, as bad as of a catastrophe as that is for you, mine is worse.
Yeah.
My booster pack seems to be faulty. I think it died out here. That's far worse than not having keys to a V12 Mercedes, right? Way worse.
You need to look at the listing. Doesn't it say if it has keys on the listing?
Yeah, it's a run and drive with mechanical damage. Oh boy. Or they may have them inside. Yeah. You know, they were just keeping it safe for you. All the other cars have keys, but they didn't care about those. They only cared about yours. Yeah, that makes sense. Or maybe somebody came out here and was like, hey, that auto auction rebuilds guy.
He's coming.
I'm gonna take his keys. Ha, the joke's on you. If you took the keys, joke's on you. It wasn't my car. It was his. You stole
me.
Innocent, poor innocent Monkey Wrench Mike. You jacked his keys, but you didn't take mine. I'm sorry, it's not funny. Yeah, it's not funny. We'll split the cost. If we got to get keys, we'll split the cost of it. No big deal. Oh, this thing has juice. This has juice. Okay, so it should start. Whoa.
Oh, here, I got it.
Yeah, this booster pack is, I had it fully charged when I left Oklahoma, and now it's down to its last bar, and I've only started like 4 cars. So, just dying quickly. Very, very quickly dying. Okay. What was that? Did you hear that? Sound like something. That's okay. It runs great. Sounds great. It sounds great. It's fine. Oh, there's no power steering at all. Is it leaking? Yeah. Well, she needs a little bit of work. It's only got 350,000 miles on it.
That's all?
Yeah, on a Chevy. A Chevy.
Will this make it home?
Probably. I think everything I've looked at out here has a better chance of making it home than either one of our cars. And I'm not saying that for video. I'm actually very serious about that. I think we're both in trouble here. Yeah. But yeah, Mike, what if we did a buy it now and bought one of these, grabbed a U-Haul trailer, towed it through the mountains home. No power steering, but that's fine. Once you're going in a straight line, you don't need that anyway. Actually, that NISMO right there would be better. That Nissan truck?
Yeah.
That one is all side swipe down the side, but that thing will tow, runs great, air conditioning and everything works.
Let me go buy it real quick.
There you go. You can see if you can hit the buy it now on that. We'll go grab a U-Haul trailer and we'll just tow these things. Hey, that Honda Civic, I think, or that Honda Accord would probably, yeah, or that van. I mean, take your pick of anything out here, and it has a better chance of getting us home than what we purchased today. All right, so, you know, she leaks a little bit of oil, and she makes a little bit of noise on startup, like the torque converter's falling out of it or something. That's fine. That's fine. You don't need to worry about that. Aside from power steering not working, that's what Lucas is for. And power steering stop leak. Fix it right up, man. Mechanic in a bottle. She's not a bad-looking truck, and it's got a tow hitch. It has a tow hitch. It's got the connector for trailer lights. Oh, man. You could not tow an S-Class with a... Isn't this a 5-cylinder? The 3500, I believe, is a 5-cylinder, straight 5. Yeah, that wouldn't. Remember those mountains we went through last night?
Yeah.
That wouldn't go well. You'd pop a head gasket in a heartbeat. She runs good, the guys, especially with almost 350,000 miles on it. Like, she really does. She runs really well. She needs a little bit of work, but you know, all these cars are relatively cheap for a reason. They're fixer-uppers, A to Bs, beaters with heaters, whatever you want to call them, man. Let's move on to the next one. Who remembers these? I had a serious infatuation. I know it's stupid, but when I was a kid, I had a serious infatuation with these little Honda Accords from the early 90s, late 80s. I really loved these things, especially the coupes. I thought these were some of the slickest cars on the road. I know. Again, I know. I'm crazy. That's fine. I'm an oddball. I understand that. But I love them still today. I haven't seen one of these on the road in forever. It's got 215,000 miles on the clock, which for a Honda is nothing. It even comes with, well, the rest is free, of course, but it comes with what looks like a Walker exhaust system. Like, the majority of the exhaust system for this car is sitting in the seat. The interior is not in bad shape. Yeah, that's a lot of exhaust right there, guys. Wow. Okay, no airbags. Like, this takes you back, man. This takes you back to a time before all those ridiculous airbags and anti-lock brakes. Well, this may have anti-lock brakes. Honda was kind of on their game, man. They were ahead of the pack back in the day. Maybe they still are. I don't know. Is this a cup holder? No, it's a change holder. Cup holders are down there. Got your little cassette deck. That tells you this car probably hasn't been like legit on the road in a while, or somebody would have changed out the cassette player with something a little more modern. The hood is popped. Let's take a peek under the hood. I can't remember what size engine came there. I think it was a 2.2 liter overhead cam. I can't remember for sure. Single overhead cam. Let's see, what size is she? She is a 2.2. Haha. Wow, look at me. Look at me remembering stuff. Now, my memory ain't the greatest, so I actually am very proud of myself for remembering what engine was in this car. Will my booster pack hold? Probably not. I can't tell you how many head gaskets I've changed on these engines right here. Quite a few. They were great cars. It's got great tires. The body looks pretty good considering the age and the miles. It really does. This is a decent looking car. The battery's dated 17. So she's about 5 years old. That battery, my booster pack is saying no. This may be the last video I get to record today. Let's see. I got faith in you, man. You can do it. You can do it. That sucks. I had 3 more cars I wanted to try to get out today. One more video for you guys, but that may not happen. All right, here we go. You ready? Is she gonna run? Cycle the key a couple times. Get that fuel pressure up for her. Yeah, there she goes. There she goes. She's trying. Let's give her a little throttle. There it is. There it is. Yeah, that exhaust is, she's pretty rough. She's pretty rough. Listen to the old girl, man. I had a little high there. Brakes. Oh. The brakes don't feel so good, guys. The steering feels alright. Brakes feel like they're shot. The important window does work. Come on, idle down, girl. That PGM FI. I'm gonna say the gas is holding this too. You can smell it. Wow. Look at the dashboard on this. It's in beautiful condition. Wow. Yeah, the brakes are, okay, the brakes are real bad. Brakes are really, really bad. Really bad. Let's shut it off. All right, you've proven yourself. You run. Good girl, good girl. The brakes are in exceptionally bad condition. Gonna bet because of the rust and stuff, it's probably got a rusted out brake line underneath. Maybe that's why it ended up getting sent here. You know, those brake lines can be a real bear, and if you can't do it yourself, if you can't do flares and everything on your own and build new brake lines, which I've never done, maybe I could do it, but I sure wouldn't want to put my or anybody else's life on the line on the hopes and prayers that I did brake lines right. The metal ones, obviously. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do that, and that's dangerous, man. But still, a great little car, man. What a beautiful little car. She's in amazing condition for her age, and for the location, and for the miles. That is the end of this video. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get out of here. I wanna thank each and every one of you for watching my video, and Monkey Wrench Mike, go check him out down below, guys. I and he both would sincerely appreciate you going and checking that out. Subscribe to my channel if you're not currently subscribed. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.